guys, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about this beautiful leather tote bag I got. Hey girls, let me just tell you how you have found the right tote bag here with Madosh. I love everything about my tote bag. The quality is incredible. You can see from far away the very genuine leather, and I love how versatile it is as well. This not only is very stylish, very elegant, but it also has so many compartments that it makes it super functional. So yes, you are getting the looks and the function that you're looking for with this tote bag. I really like how I can fit my laptop in here, especially because it doesn't have a division in the middle, and that's a must for me when looking for a tote bag since I'm always working from my laptop. I can fit it very comfortably in here with my wallet and other necessities, and I can also use the outside pockets to either have my phone, my keys, or my sunglasses. This bag from close up is beautiful just as it is from far away. You're going to see that beautiful, perfect stitching. These are handcrafted from India, so each bag is going to be super unique. I really like how all of them have a unique piece of leather that you will not find anywhere else. I also like this shoulder strap that makes it very versatile and very comfortable for you to carry. As you can see, it also has a zipper, which is a security feature I love. So if you're looking for a high quality tote bag, definitely check this one out, and that is my point of view.